Hey everybody, this is Lisa. I am coming on with another project share for Globleland, and I am using this die here. It's like a little gable type box, so I will be sharing that one, and this one is another style box, and I will be sharing that one. Not sure if I've shared those already or not, but I'm going to share them again. And excuse me. So we'll start off excuse me, with this one. This is like a gable style box, and it makes the style box here. Sorry for that glare. Isn't it so cute? Oh my goodness, I love it. And then I made this one here. So cute. Now, this little opening right here is optional, okay? And I'm going to show you, because you have 3 designs that you can choose from. So the way I did it is when I took all the dies apart, I just took some washi and I centered it where I wanted it to be. And you could go down, you could go up, you put it wherever you want. So that's how I did that before I ran it through. And you will cut this out twice, because that is your front and your back. Now you could cut it out like this if you want to, and then you could take this up if you don't want the opening on the back. I mean, it's very versatile on how you do it. That's the bottom. You just need one of those. And this is the flap. You only need one. So 1, 1, and 2. And then here are the extra pieces that you get. So let's say this kind of like honeycomb shape there. You get that one, and then you will get, wrong one. You will get this, and this is for if you want to put it on the side. Okay, so you get a long one and a short one for the front, back, and sides. And then this one is that design, and it goes with that piece there. And then this one, of course, right here, that design, kind of like a diamond shape with little flower type. I did not use that one. I just didn't want anything on the side. And then plus you get this little tag piece with this little banner piece. So if you want to hang a little tag. So you get lots of pieces to choose from. And you get 3 different designs for your, like, the window. So I'm keeping all of these in here together, so they don't get lost. Yeah, so that one, and I love it. Oh my gosh. It's an okay size. It really is. You can fit a lot of stuff in this box. So that was just a bow that I had. And it has a little slit to where you tuck this. But I just glued the bow on the slits. And then when you open it up, this is what you get. These 2 actually go together like this, so it will stay in place like that. And then that's how it will be on the side. So it kind of keeps it closed, so nothing falls out and these don't flap everywhere. Now you will still get this little piece will cut out in the back, but that's okay. Because you can always put a strip of something to cover that up if it bothers you. But it don't bother me. So that is that one. And I haven't put anything in here. I am actually prepping for, Christmas boxes and bags and things like that. So that is that. So I'm going to have everything in the description box. Links, coupon codes. Happy10 is the coupon code. If you want to save some money. So the next box is this one here. Okay, you have things that are optional in there as well. This is like a border piece here. And this is, what is this? This is your sides. You will cut that out twice. This is your front and back. You will cut it out twice. This is your bottom piece. You will cut it out once. And this is your lid, and you will cut that out once. And then look what you get. Look at all of these cute flowers and leaves. Oh my gosh. Look. You get all of those with this set. Okay. So this is the first box. Now this is that border piece. So as you can tell, let me open it up. I cut it out twice, and I put the first piece like this. I centered it, and then I wrapped it around. And it came to about, no, I didn't. I'm sorry. I did this, and then I cut it off here. And then the second piece, I put it this way, and I used almost half of it. And then I cut it off. And then I took the other side, the other piece, and I put it right there. And I cut it off. So, you could do it like that. Or, you could, like, start here and wrap it around halfway. But, regardless, you'll need two pieces if you want it to wrap from here to here. So, but it's optional. So I did this one like that. And look at the box. Look how much room is in there. And I love the shape of the lid. It is really cute. These are the flowers. So I made 3 of those. I was using this paper pad that has silver in it. So I'm trying to use a lot of it up. So my second box is this one here. And I just use pattern paper. It doesn't come with any layering pieces, so the pattern paper is perfect to use. And then I just did the lid a different style paper from the same pack. This is a flower in my stash, and I just put some little gingies there. And then when you open it up, lots of room. So you can see, let's see the measurements for this box. So this one is 3.5 by 1 7/8. And the sides are, what is that? 2 3/8. So it's a good size box. Good size box. And this one is about 1 1/4 high. So it's a good size box to put some little goodies in. So that is that one. And then this one is the third one that I did. So same, I had these gingies in my stash. I did a sentiment. And I just altered the paper. You know, with the lids and the base. And then that is my boxes. I love them. So I am getting ready for my boxes and bags. And let's measure this one for you so you will know. So this one is approximately 4 1/4 tall. Wide is about 2 5/8. And then right here is about, what is that? Almost 1 1/2. So they're pretty cute sizes. And you can fit a lot, you know, of treats and goodies on the inside. So I will have everything linked below. Go check them out. They have lots of other style boxes and things like that. And just layering dies. They have a whole lot to choose from. So that is it. I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.